Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you on our channel. Please watch the video till the end and maybe you will find the right hairstyle for you. When we step over a certain age, we start to wonder how to remain youthful without sacrificing the gracious and respectable look. The ability to age with style has always been gaining admiration, and choosing the right hairstyle is key to creating such an image. And many others show how stunning you may look when you are over 50. Review and pick the best hairstyles to show off your mature beauty. Many women refer to the age of 50 as their second youth and the time when they can finally enjoy life to its fullest. In fact, you don't necessarily need to change your favorite style and choose something drastically new to look and feel young after reaching the age of 50. A pixie cut, a versatile bob, or a braided haircut are all quite timeless. As you grow older, it makes sense to choose edgier haircuts that will balance the increasing softness of your features. This is especially important when you decide to grow out gray hair. If you are used to wearing bangs, there's no sense to give up on this idea, as bangs generally make women look younger. Opt for wispy bangs reaching your eyebrows or soft side waves like Kathy Hilton's bangs, for instance. If your hair is fine, it's better to try a short to medium version of a bob haircut, a cheeky pixie, or another short hairstyle that adds volume and texture to your mane. Thick hair looks awesome in layered medium and long styles. However, you can try anything from an extra short pixie to long bobs. Women over 50 also start dyeing their hair more often to cover gray hairs. Lighter tones are easier to maintain. That's why many older women opt for blondish or caramel hues. A popular option among women over 50 is also blending gray hair with highlights and lowlights. On the other hand, darker intelligent shades such as burgundy, auburn, and dark chocolate can look stunning on older women. Explore 40 exceptional hairdo choices to refresh your appearance, including timeless classics like bobs, layered cuts, pixie cuts, and soft waves. Pick a fashionable and refined hairstyle to adopt in 2023 that complements your personal taste. Today's hairstyles for women over 50 easily blend your natural grays and trendy colored jobs. Use the balayage technique to melt gray with darker blondes or browns. Cut in long layers that create soft movement throughout your hairdo. Normally, women want to cover up gray because they want to look younger, whereas gray hair has been associated with old age. However, today even younger celebrities who can work with the best colorists and have whatever hair hue they want, opt to go gray. Check Rihanna's gray hair or Pink's gray hair looks, for instance. It's really becoming a trend that you simply shouldn't leave without attention, especially when it offers you so many perks. Just imagine saving monthly on permanent dyes and leaving all those pains when trying to achieve the perfect hue. There are too many, depending on your hair texture and preferable length. Generally speaking, gray hairstyles look dignified. They frame the face stately and draw attention rather to your facial features than any fancy styling tricks. You may have bangs with gray hairstyles, but they are either light and well-trimmed or styled to one side. Turning 40 a woman already knows who she is. She is less into making an impression, but more about being who she is. This knowledge reflects in her hairstyle: elegant, classy, sometimes playful and sassy, and always contemporary and sexually appealing. See the best examples of hairstyles for women over 40 would like to show to your stylist on your next trip to the salon. Dear friends, thank you for watching the video review to the end. The best thanks: subscribe to our channel, put likes, and it motivates us to make new videos for you.